Set up a square canvas. I am using a 12 by 12 inch canvas at 300 dpi to avoid pixelation. Draw a line in the bottom right corner in any shape or as a straight line. Duplicate the line, move it to the top, and rotate it 90 degrees. Merge these two layers, duplicate the combined layer, flip it horizontally, and drag it to the left to form a shape. Go to Actions, enable the drawing guide, then edit it by selecting the Symmetry option. After outlining the pattern, start filling it in with your design. Here, I'm incorporating a moth design along with some wreath details. I'm using the technical pen brush to create this pattern and enhancing it with textures using the speckled texture brush. I'm designing this pattern using earthy tones to create a natural and warm aesthetic. Once the pattern within the outline is complete, mark the corners of the canvas to select the entire design. Adjust the selection tool settings as shown in the video to improve canvas snapping. Duplicate the design layer and drag the canvas in all four corners as shown in the video. Merge the layers as shown, and remember to erase the corner marks made earlier. Merge all layers, then duplicate the merged layer 3 times. Arrange the duplicates by snapping them to the four corners, aligning them at the center to create a seamless pattern. Subscribe for more Procreate tutorials and content.